we have unique case of repair hair transplant, and this is also an interesting case study who are opting for FUE hair transplant techniques for repair of their hair transplant. In this video, we'll see how we can handle severe repair cases of hair transplant. The problem in this case was it was a repair Norwood grade 7 baldness case, and he had a wide and ugly looking FUT scar from previous 2 surgeries. Patient has low density results, and final his hairline was not looking natural. Now we'll try to understand how such failed cases can be handled and how such patients can again regain the confidence. We at QHT have handled successfully numerous repair cases of FUT and FUE hair transplant. Cases like where patients have been left with insufficient donor zone, artificial hairline and odd hair angles, botched hair transplant. It is necessary to have a safe approach and the great skill set of a surgeon along with the experience in handling such repair cases of hair transplant. Here are the solutions that we have found. In this case, we have used his donor area, leaving apart 1 centimeter from both the sides. We have harvested his beard from the jawline also and his neck region. He has a wide, ugly FUT scar. Temples were thin. His temples were recreated. His hairline was recreated with single and thin hair follicles, and his crown was attempted but not with very high density. And frontotemporal angle were also improved. And this is how he looked after 3 months. Hairline have started looking natural, temples have again filled with some hair, and the crown area was not attempted with high density and was not fully covered, and still it is 3 months, so we are expecting more results in the future. And now this is how he looked after 7 months. His hairline has started looking natural and undetectable. His temples has achieved super flat angles, and side profiles are showing amazing result thanks to medication and PRP session that added visible density even to his crown, and all the result looks supernatural. After 18 months, patient again came to us, which is the time which is believed that a patient get 100% of the result. This is how he looked after 18 months. Hair have now thickened up, and this is how he looked. This is the total density that he has regained in the crown. End result shows that his hairline zone is dense and undetectable. Mid scalp has average density, but still there are some areas which are visible. As patient wears a long length of hair, his frontotemporal angles also look natural and filled. Look at the beauty of the temples that achieved with super flat angles, but the crown is still visible from all the aspects and looks natural. Now again we attempted another session, and this is his beard area after harvesting. This time he planned to get his hair transplant on crown area, mid scalp and little densification over the hairline and temples. Again, the donor area and the beard area was used for harvesting as a donor zone, and this is the final result after 8 months from the second session of hair transplant. Beard hair are adding bounce to the scalp hair in the mid scalp region, and you can see how undetectable the results are. Crown area still has some visibility, but I must say that achieving such a result in a botched surgery is a challenging job for a surgeon. When it comes to repair hair transplant case study, this is one of the good cases that we have done so far. The problem with crown is that it has multi-angulated hair, and all the hairs are scattered in all direction arising from the central point of the swirl, and there is minimal overlapping of hair in the crown area. So mathematically we can place the same density as in mid scalp, but the mid scalp would be having twice visible density and crown would be having half visible density in the same number of grafts placed. And he was getting bounce in combing, especially at the hairline zone. And side profile looks amazing due to maximum overlapping of hair in combing. So please stay connected with us and subscribe our channel for more videos.